I love how every month there's a new terminology for things that we've been doing all along. The new one is IMAX. Basically, it's just wearing eyeshadow, I believe, and enhancing the color of your eye, the shape of your eyes. So today we are going to do IMAXing for deep set eyes, the aging eye. I feel like eyeshadow hasn't been a popular thing right now, so now people are like, let's give it a new name and make it popular again to wear eyeshadow. So yeah, let's IMAX the heck out of our eyes. All right, I'm gonna start with my Makeup Forever Super Boost Skin Tint in the shade 5. And that out, we are already in August. What the heck? I thought I would be in some like stellar, awesome, healthy routine. I'm not. I'm so far from that. I'm like veg out, sleep, nap, watch Netflix, and try to get through the day. Like what? For my concealer, I'm gonna go in with my Multitasker Wake Me Up Concealer and Foundation. I really like this one by Rimmel. It's light, it's creamy, it gives enough coverage, and it's just a really pretty under eye concealer that I don't use as a foundation. Bright, light, not too heavy, and just makes your eyes look more awake. Just gonna add a touch of my Rare Beauty Gentle Liquid Contour. Have a lot of self-tanner on, so just to add a little definition to the cheekbones. It's definitely my go-to liquid contour. It's the perfect tone, the perfect coverage, and it is just huge. And for the cost, you get a lot. Like I've had this forever and use it all the time. I just want a touch of bronze and a touch of glow. So I'm gonna go in with my Laguna bronzer from NARS just for a little bit. Just a touch of warmth on the cheeks. Let's get into maxing out our eyes. So just start with your favorite matte bronzer for your deep set eyes, just so it looks a little bit more natural, can blend into the cheeks and just blend into the whole look. So I'm gonna start with my Fenty Beauty Sunstalker bronzer. I wish I had something a little bit more neutral, but we're gonna go in with a neutral eyeshadow to kind of balance it out. So I'm just gonna start with a fluffy brush and build on to my brow bone, because I really wanna make my lid and eye pop, and this kind of stands out with deep set eyes. It's bright, so we kind of just wanna neutralize that. And the warmth from the bronzer is going to be nice against my blue eyes. We're gonna go in under, so kind of creating like a C. The eyes are already popping just with that warmth, just with neutralizing the brightness of the brow bone. The lid is popping a little bit more. So now I'm gonna go in with my Too Faced Born This Way Cold Smolder Nudes, and I'm going to take this neutral shade and kind of just follow what I did. You can see it gives it a nice smooth look, just layering products. Just helps give a smoothness to the look. And then just also neutralizing the warmth of the bronzer. Now, just with doing that, we've also created contrast against the inner corners, which can get pretty dark. They have concealer on them now, so they're kind of popping a little bit more forward. So again, just neutralizing the effect of deep set eyes. I'm gonna go in with my e.l.f. Putty Color Correcting Eye Brightener, and I have this in the shade Light, so it's an illuminating corrector, and I'm just gonna go in and pop that in the inner corner. Just for a little bit more brightness there. So you don't even really need to use an eyeshadow. You can just use a brightening cream. Actually gonna go along the lash line as well. Because I don't really want to put an eyeshadow on my lip. I want to go in with something neutral, something creamy that doesn't really have any iridescence or shimmer or shine to it. So I'm going to take my Rhode Beauty Peptide Lip Shaper in the shade Balance, which is this neutral brownish tone, and I'm going to just place that on my outer lash line and just blend it with my finger. I just kind of want to draw the lash line out, draw the eye out a little bit more. How that is looking, there are no rules to makeup, there are no rules to IMAXing. Use a lip liner as an eyeliner, like why not? Sorry, I just hit the camera with my mirror. I'm gonna take this eyeliner from Essence. This is just a nude shade, and I'm gonna go in the inner corner and just trace that out a little bit more. To really make the inner corner of the eye more of the focal point. Now, before we put any mascara on, I want a tight line. I'm just gonna go in with my little Sephora black eyeliner, and we're gonna tight line across the top lash. We don't need to put any on the bottom. Throughout the day, blinking and all of that, it's going to get to the bottom lash, so it'll be an eyeshadow look that just wears really nice throughout the day. Using some cream products and some nice soft eyeshadows, it'll just kind of melt in with the natural oils of your skin and just look really natural, and your eyes will look enhanced, and you will have achieved IMAXing. You can kind of just pop it right in that corner, and then you get a tiny little wing and a tiny little extra lash. For my mascara, I use the e.l.f. Big Mood Mascara. I've been using this on the daily for a while now. It's a really nice light mascara that just kind of separates and lifts the lashes without leaving them clumpy or too heavy. If you do like more volume, it's not one of those. It's just kind of one that makes the lashes look really light and fluffy. I'm gonna do a monochromatic look here, so I am gonna go in with my Rhode Beauty lip peptide thing and line my lips with this one. I just put some Vaseline over the top of my lips and just blended that through, and this is a nice monochromatic bronze taupey neutral look. IMAXing all of it. All right, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys again soon.